Rise and shine, it's learning time!
Let's learn numbers. 1. That's the number 1. 2. That's the number 2. 3. That's the number 3. 4. That's the number 4. 5. That's the number 5. 6. That's the number 6. 7. That's the number 7. 8. That's the number 8. 9. That's the number 9. 10. That's the number 10. 11. That's the number 11. 12. That's the number 12. Now let's learn how to read time. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. And 12 o'clock. Let's learn shapes and colors. That's a star, a blue star. That's a rectangle, a green rectangle. That's a diamond, a light green diamond. That's a trapezoid, an orange trapezoid. That's an octagon, a red octagon. It has 8 sides. That's an oval, a pink oval. That's a hexagon, a light blue hexagon. It has 6 sides. That's a pentagon, a green pentagon. It has 5 sides. That's a square, a light green square. It has 4 equal sides. That's a triangle, an orange triangle. It has 3 sides. That's a parallelogram, a red parallelogram. And that's a clover, a pink clover.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.